him say me a fella lady and semsia na majime dwan ma pemu e de a che etiefo eni ahwefo na sese da ye man Ghana ndie be bia ye industry no ye celebrity fo wo mo de akodun de ye hu pa me kire beef ya eko ye tie a lot of that kind of beef in from all forms of all the areas our industry, but wait the most trending one as a see the our social media a man no entokwa no me sana me friend nti ye mfa ne sa a man no beef no Sista Afia no Barony any Freda rhymes a wo beef a wo mo te so ma twe ne sre ne abasa ama obi aye wild ho no this the new faces abeka home Medikal de no hagimu DKB so abekasa ehu behia se ebechi nkonya ne yatena se ne ye chese ye di hu komo se na bebi edu ne betimi ehu se na eko enu nti jebre na twen ye twan ho aba ye ba okay, only keep fly there. Now, Andy, say we updated with the trends on social media. And I will follow from start. Send our Sista Afia release WMT. Freda rhymes be release KMT. My rap goddess, no Barony, so Edeni David to just send a at Sasana Sisiano. A man talk I him say a man talk and na echo. It's a man and the have a gym, you know, say. I dare to be very soon.
No, I don't want.
Hey, there's a medical bekasa. Which means a bit man link it to the same trend because if we WMT, one of my any Minister Afia Freda rhymes, or more yana medical, so then we have a pattern one DKB, so they see I know not have fire medical. As a member never join a man away now.
Well, the notion member I say different from.
I said, sorry, baby. A jano esha still.
But I know the medical crab and the track and camp on one fat. Sign man on movie for Sista Afia, no Barony, kind of saying. Freda rhymes, no, ignore. And also true shots, am a different side of entertainment industry. Say DKB, Afia or Dom. Was a one cat first beef, no. The medical was also separating home from Sawi in the crab. But yes, also true shots to some cophobia or industry.
Now, only say a new one or the SR because. Edu Barony allergy say or no any the face behind Sista Afia ne these songs now or you know the ghostwriter or throw and you mean man. I always Sista Afia class style or used to on this tracks you can rap style no out me say truly a connected Emma medical there. And until say or then who have a dom na go fa aka say man to kwa no den who agimu to say or back up front say or address Edu Barony and go fa say man to kwa e no do no who agimu. And I say, BM so say, or become BM, we make us say, and see, and pass or no, or tie Sista Afia, or the same Sister Debbie, and into no to me, and back up front sister, because we have most of the comments or the bar alpa. Now, only no Barony, any on the argument done. I say, no addressing. I'll call yet this song, now for this song, no, I say, and some more can who the air call any abanity, and then Mato Kwan or Konana.
Oh, Mato Kwan, the womb, but yes, or the branding a ship.
Why Brandon is saying?
Because all first person over social media can say there's no way I bet they say or back. There's no way I bet they see a female rapper. I will look like a corpse. Until one guy's what target won't say anybody or a female be an own addressing because was a woman was a Ghana on a best rapper. But then again, no one's about a track and I say even some of our cars on this year, why ignore one? Yes, still track majority of the shots no training and no drama and bar or my if you're W or my study boom. Or my kind of thing. Or my Capin Polo. Oh, share still I am not talking. I guess I almost as a on person of the fat on a more audio material. There's no one meeting at Tembi or beat so. I get it. In a way, that's what Janet or Quano, but still our man in Lima. Because when you say you're the fat and if it's yeah, girl beats by the dirty. Already get on the dirty first one on the track back with so many a track we boom. I get on the dirty cry. There's no way out of the foul.
But before we release nonsense, no, me see one of just say okay, me read one of the tweets to Edu Barony, not or patch say Edu Barony broke. Now when him say no yen nyame ye ntina was stay in the industry for over 15 years to still no won shede ni sikasa or no call ban and take with me be make papers. When say somehow no or address it no e won beef because no ka say and phone here and can kwati asem to say somehow or address it no a woman, but when me and can years and every time I connect me no after or can general issue be.
No, the other day why on social media. I get it.
But me can distract and
distract no.
Nonsense and phone young cancers as no.
Because social media can say wife they pull up in a benzo and we near the Uber celebrities. No one side if you're done like and okay say if you're done fella McCaffrey some feud we in the past. And if you're those who been in say Uber celebrity or no, I'm not gonna be or admit to say I'm not gonna on one talk because Uber now no be to say or no be say or okay so better talk out.
One data me chun say because me can't say a man don't have for a man talk and now better be agree with me.
Or I be just say on in music no different but on Twitter there not or address beef and still but in the music aspect there or ignore man. That's no movie on to
okay. You see how they remember the latest. Ne nonsense and you or can you about or to say one line be no the address DKB. Na near him said DKB the or your rapper or your comedian. Oh, yet it was a DKB say yen train him no so release reply. Na you go to DKB reply not to say punchline is won't be. Will be a comedian. Now, you who the rap skills on any platform, Diana, or coming out with this track and can you best with whack track be. But where DKB punchlines are, do you know what I found?
Anna, one thing about DKB is we shoot less than 45 minutes because now following one.
I'm surprised.
Following one in IG, medical track about less than 45 minutes. No studio, I started to record track. And on my time say by 11:30 p.m. there tracking about. And for a comedian, no one say comedy in creativity.
Okay.
It is still has in the creative space of the industry. It is for a comedian to come out ASR type of music now. If you are not first, no me expect to say something funny but then on a beat. But we know as of bad too hard for a comedian.
Funny. I think that it's funny.
It's funny, alright. But then I say what type of music.
Oh, okay.
But then that's a band or like a musician. I guess.
And not surprising me because
I know in the way it's what dirty medical because one of best rapper power in the study actually.
It DKB as some of can one in you. Maybe say I'm kind of point by point. On also this track or the other out no. Then I was share no deck rapper. Hey, where from that? And look around, oh, now if I don't have your choice, I'm so.
So person just says the medical rap and your rap, yeah, so.
Me, be the mammy who say rap your choice, I'm so, and I see in choice.
Oh, yeah, try exams so. But then say, see, as soon as the medical raining rap of the year. About share the content and I said content America put it out now. On your ready to be a rap of the year. Until I said, be sound of a sort check, because that's in a rap and yet in Woody and guitar muscles be and guitar any level.
Anyway,
but then. Still, I will create and I say, comfort tagging Brandon as the best rapper in Ghana, or a knob dead crap, or a whack, side of a such.
As on cash. Oh, but home doing the tracks, really.
Oh, you're cool, but then rap in the rap space, you know. As an artist, there, medical, you're very good because it's me, free rap, some corners be generous, no, it's me switching, yeah, hits in every category, but then you can't rap, Nagas asking rap, deep rap, there. Oh, it's but we're very good, but then oh, it's
okay, but see, and I quite say social media, be a person like on pounds on medical, so be a person on be a feed you medical, so maintain us because we only say, I say, this tracks he shall say beef he shall say no, will be a person on medical and to say on lower than the level.
But then now so far, person say open with me a pounds on medical. Anna DKB no be mono say if the medical amba one go at DKB and DKB en fino. I get it. Until we are so far no Barony pen be our attack medical.
But say you need some medical best rapper as a now Ghana has say. Now no Barony at say yen shine
when I say the best rapper no say based on voting me money and I know the award schemes they want me and award schemes and justify say we need the best and I say what you say.
And don't you think that Twitter is being too harsh on medical?
Would I be? I don't say. We feel more critically, no Barony in a fire, man say content, lyrics, need delivery, Bibiana, style, Bibiano. Apart from maybe a film, no brander, medical one. But in terms of the rap with the Afia, you know, a fire head channel, and also a female. I get it.
I say oba na
oba. Ana oba with ma ana ohwe almost omo joint be the word that I mean kai tight on it. But then ohwe omo tu no hwe delivery ne we know the kind of flow no track so I was Barony was way exceptional chain medical crowd track was into.
Remember back to DKB where this on the infant line no one by one. So now or addressing medical issue. To this on there or no being yes medical one or can into be medical straight up. Just a no one one no or daily or issue. Or can ya could see baby a medical call referred on the track so we obisane so a wedding planner nano. Or by the church room only reply or church room the entire or coming up with a Instagram post now connected to Freda McCaffrey ni prank now or yeah or ni wedding asenu na or address we no cover the truth behind the post no and obi on sabe address or sabe can be say we lose the respect for Freda McCaffrey and then say I didn't know say beef no a industry thing na rap like industry rap ni bia na will be ka will be asem o tibidi kwa akọ ni private life ni ira waware no na afi de ya chia na be do no honum o hwe no Barony so a address medical so the private life the wedding honum no ka no or address wo kakra e wo no so no district it didn't na say industry thing for fame and it say hyper I didn't know going to nkofo no direct like issues some private issues no mo hit it on.
One thing about beef is that beef need boundaries there. So we go there to now we ask score points in Kwandi or so you need boundaries to beef. And I say maybe I ain't sent to kwa. We no go to kwa say anyway. The may be the winning to kwa na me. I get the only say I was send me back clean. Say maybe I near man irrelevant maybe we on one just maybe any advice I will say. But then so be you soon area now the best score points in Kwandi also to me you to utilize this chance. And also go all out. There least chance we have been beyond there. There will be about 3 years but come and ask your opponents in Kwandi also use. The same area Apache send area I for no use anyway. And there's a beef there. This I think did. There will be use so I be come opponents and as a better gun. I also use any boundaries.
This I know yeah on the same issue now where DKB raising I want a distract no reply no to medical no. All Fela part no. I say from the way I put it out statement in the punchline, what you say no only Fela or relationship, only Fela or like cool terms be and I feel disappointed. I Fela must say when to advice ni kunu or a bra or this when to advice so on train sign. And I just punchline keke.
Oh, Anna say if say feel disappointed in be say when to stopping it now because an age man or on the field of work, it won't mean dictate man say yeah. When I'm saying area into maybe saying on your education because on age man cancel I get into me and can say the only way free. The only thing I'll be able to my man say the other advice for one say yeah, maybe one level but they don't mean dictating man say no on your nana. And again, so no share on them company for a rhyming scheme because so share free in quantity or shares and maybe out the Freda McCaffrey show no might be on a rhyming game now I had your own points kakra.
My and I'm follow most of the beefing trends. What you say? Some people it me get it attached. Or stone boy any chatwali omu beef and no beef now. We say some people were so attached. Say omu ko baby cry SM fans ko baby na stone boy fans were her and the part me AC were her. Sometimes so stone boy so baby na SM fans so copy one man and the part me so on. Say if a game, a industry game. Now they use private issues like this, like personal issues like this. Now, I want to say, no kind of man go for getting attached to this. But me a fan of Medikal. From now on, I'm supposed to hate DKB because I bet react and also I bet beefy me fan and I say me star. I bet beefy me star. And that me hate me started feeling hatred ma DKB. Am I right? Because more now started beefing. More now who say industry thing, but yeah, fans no. Some of us hold it say, oh okay. So they say I'm in there. Only me fan anyway. Only any good terms be my enemy. We are not fans anymore. Like me pen same game.
But then okay say who develop hate man too awkward. Cause
we have seen it with SM and Beam Nation.
I don't know any healthy beef. Your beef a healthy one. Your healthy beef one. I don't know just I know your lyrical was one. I don't know just to prove a point say I am better change.
Okay.
I don't know a healthy one. It's usually bit as I could manifest beef. Then a healthy. because obi a person chese we person chese na me best we person chese na me best nti I no start when e be prove no yen fan to tracks na hwe dia lyrically no obetima about but you were unhealthy before and then Shatawale ne Stone Boy there.
So when does it get dangerous? It do be na just a beef in here dangerous because
say I get it too personal.
I get it too personal.
I get it too personal. I want to attacks with timber several but I want to say akwa dem no time I no so time man is question on a settle manifest fan say we know best reason and on man is question. But then if it goes to the extreme, won't you Shatawale ne Stone Boy there na koya twice after tracks upon tracks crampon personally crampon now was one man Shatawale be attacking we all interview so or one man be attacking to say no personal no any healthy beef and any to show aside music crarusha personal ankasa I get it
the interview bit of question say one say Sista Afia any Freda rhymes Freda rhymes be release point of correction so say I say Sista Afia e be no question be one a tweet mu say will she have the confidence to say these things to her face when she meets her? I said, "Ohono mutumu say from her statement, no bad blood be abba omuntem." And Freda Rhymes reply say, like abro ono sa hashtag no abrowa. Which means say on follow each other.
But then the three if I don't can personal campuna, I was say the fans they want to say like some energy be and once the woman here to play for us, as I could be a funny serious view, so dropping next track now. We are things for in the space of social media, they also with him. You won't say Anya be but then maybe are behind the scenes now. Because we share Freda Rhymes interview here. I'll see only you cool because I'm not areas are scrap bombing and I still cramp on expect to say before we are Sista Afia maybe find a personal because on no rap on rap game but only in the Barony there, or more better on us because a rap no Sunday you do commodity into anything personal.
Indeed, from what you are saying, it's a fan correct. I just say it's when the other side no on should and tin masi ya and a bit massive
on game nasi. Also, a bit say Sista Afia be on better fan personal because on rap game like a tia so also a high life musician. Into no be on style of beef nasi but then as rappers no more better on us because obi abeso chese prove point say men am more lyrical game ni
yeah they come on AC no yeah say see how they Barony is set to release force them to play nonsense. Now we heard banners about outer I said we're teaming up with Strong Man and Sister Debbie and now social media users so omankasa I created banner Ediama Medikal say we're teaming up with Freda Rhymes and Sista Afia. Now I heard how much we are a match pa edema Barony in the team.
Flyer no.
Say force them to play nonsense. Barony reply to Medikal.
I wouldn't say a reply because track number out into you.
Hey, Medikal Eddie Van Abeto also be this song nonsense pe and Barony
so Medikal track about one can say this song or say next week.
Masa, ye tie na edin.
And then this song to sound for now you can 70.
Oh, that be a industry thing.
Same way won't think as a Barony track no this track.
Hey, no say force them to play nonsense.
And I said I said we share rappers for we song titles we jabs and kwa. Yeah, you know because they actual attention say now the be share would be tin you na so
because it's obey releasing yet me make
and I will share you for with me up there and go for money medical enya problem that. But then we share Strong Man as I see on the medical very cool.
One on the medical but still maybe feed and still
I came and recently on the medical track. I'm here cramp 1 year 6 months 4 months cramp and dream way. It is very cool and say go interview that should be said about that beef now say on person become same cause this is very cool almost our joint track scrap I was about them by. I don't think say you are the no best show be beef more brownie on the pan you cool. I get it. Maybe just to get the attention of people. Because once I go for the grandpa, I bet you say it, and you will drop you or say because streaming. So no, also the many views and the likes and the clicks for side. Until we want to say we be a different track altogether.
Social media for no
you can put a track and record it. Yeah, fly there because up to now on twin drop here or post it on the social media say until that ben I say post it or drop a track no. Until you can track and say I track now. And can be track and they are not saying track.
And so much space now hype.
And yes, a hype. What was it? Or your banner not just to create attention. Nti na bia no dey train medical track they say dia medical track they be ban side and I say nti we say wetin after they won say medical track they be ban side we say track and kaba put in a different thing altogether and also higher in the jam or they ba here at the front cry. I get it.
Jindi say no still has the opportunity to this medical because
some
medical to me
but then say no they say medical right but then go for now line on app now be a strong man go for social media go for I disappointed in the strong man or more and say I know dragging on into this way but then track them out into me decide say yeah it become no kind of content or whatever and I say and the lyrics or whatever and very far away from sorry I get it in general me predict say and I'm some more bad blood into chinching attract about this record. It kind of different thing, cry.
It was for and come away, I can see a better and any baby. And no tea, yet the has say, nah, Shannon so update beer ever back a witch say, no Barony be release force them to play nonsense and also release say a group and on better boom. No more they are fighting medical and I say yes, Akrana. Still now you be updating your videos and need to subscribe to Tuma GH. Now updating about with me any notification no ewo phone so be so no obet me a share video e dey amado phone ya say say dey there Tuma GH or Instagram obet me a follow or at Tuma GH_. Me din Edna na ama owusa makra.